Alright, this is the second video where we're going to be reinstalling the shingle using this tool here, putting the nail into the tool and then hammering it right there. I do want to note we're using the exact same shingle because we're in the middle of a claim. We don't want to permanently repair the roof yet. A little bit. Didn't work out too well. So one thing to note here already is it's not even all the way down, right? So I got to finish with the hammer anyways. See, same thing there. This thing doesn't get the nail all the way flush, so we still got to come in here, lift this shingle in order to hammer that down. So, go in here. Same thing. Didn't flush it. Oh, look at that. I didn't do anything. More. I mean, this tool, look at that. I mean, it doesn't hammer the nail. So, that's kind of worthless. So, I mean, you guys get the gist. This tool does not work. We have a lot of mat transfer here, which shows this roof is not repairable. We do have some creasing here. We still had to lift the shingle up enough. So, it's a failed test. This roof is not repairable.